Hey guys, this is me Shahbaz back with another video. So today we had a live chess game where I was playing against an opponent and my friend, the chess freak himself, Karandeep Singh was doing commentary on it. Okay, so if you want to see more content on chess, and this guy I'm telling you, he makes amazing content on chess. Go follow his channel. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Also see this video till the end because you'll see how I annoyed this guy so much that he actually challenged me back for a rematch. Okay, and if you want to see the rematch, go follow Karandeep Singh right now.
So yeah, Shahbaz is gonna play
It's
against a random person and I'm gonna commentate.
right.
Okay, he's playing against DS Chess Amateur from America. Let's see if we can beat him. Shahbaz, what do you think about this position? I mean, you like playing the Queen's Gambit, no? Like Queen's opening.
Yeah, 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 man. Thing is, uh, see again, he has an up. He's just, done that thing.
What thing?
See what I mean? The thing. So that's kind of annoying,
Yeah,
really.
this guy is not really a chess amateur, I guess.
Oh yeah. Let him play. Let him play. He objective. What is that?
So Shahbaz is playing against a better player because his rating is higher than Shahbaz's. Shahbaz is 669 and his opponent is 747. So Shahbaz is the underdog, so root for him.
Whoa, rating dropped so much, man.
Dropped. Okay, Shahbaz gave a check. That's fine. Hmm. Knight to c3. Good move. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, he's attacking your bishop.
Yeah, he is. Thing is, I could actually take back my bishop right now. No, he would actually take two steps forward for his pawn,
Yeah,
and that,
he's gonna play pawn to
yeah,
b5.
yeah, and that's what I want really, to be honest.
Yeah, you want that. Why? Why is that?
Leaving this pawn open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So for now, it's good.
I mean, if he advances his pawn again to c4, it is very annoying. No?
That is if he's smart enough to do
No,
that.
it's okay. That even if he plays that, it's okay.
Yeah. At this point, actually, he's just randomly throwing away his pawns. You see this?
Yeah, he's just
That,
attacking for the sake of attacking your piece. That's all.
yeah.
No real objective behind it. But then again, he's a 700, so I can't expect anything from him.
Uh-huh.
Relax, relax. It's not a good move by him.
Moving the bishop wouldn't be a good move.
No, no, no. You have to move. Your bishop is under attack. No, you want to lose your bishop, is it?
No, no, no. I think they're just moving it where is the question. If I can just take it back or not. Just keep it. I think this piece. Oh yeah, keeping this here would be a good move.
Yeah, it's completely
For
fine.
now,
Hmm.
yeah, for now at least. It's like a thing where he cannot move his. Hmm,
Oh, okay. This guy is playing well.
hmm. For an amateur, he's good, bro. I won't say on that. I mean, I've been playing this game for a long time right now. I mean, I'm just defending against what he is throwing at me.
Yeah, he's an aggressive player, this person.
Yeah, I just want to play my game for now.
Yeah, just calm down and play. And castling is fine. I mean, you're setting up a trap by castling. Let's see if he falls for it. Okay, he did not fall for it.
Hopeless game. Nice for that.
So Shahbaz is thinking about probably taking his knight with his knight, going for the exchange, but he does not like trades. So I doubt it.
Exactly, that's my point right now. But then I'll do it, bro. Either ways, let him do that with the. And even if he does that right now,
See, now he's going to take the knight with the pawn, right? He has to do that. No other
yeah,
move he has.
yeah,
After that, you have to move your bishop. So you can move your
yeah.
bishop into a very nice diagonal. Like it's on a nice diagonal. It's pointing towards the opponent's king, right?
Okay, you want me to just put it here
No, no, no.
towards
I'm not. Yeah, I mean, I'm not telling you to take that pawn. I'm telling you to just keep it on the diagonal, somewhere safe.
here.
I mean, that's not safe. No, pawns can take. I mean, you can retreat also. If you retreat also, it'll be on the same diagonal.
Oh, yeah, you're talking about that.
Hmm.
Keeping on the same diagonal would be here. This will be the safest place.
Then this is okay, fine. But if your bishop was on B1, then you can potentially bring your queen to C2 and threaten mate, right? Like, see, if your bishop is on the square next to the rook.
Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got what you meant.
Yeah, yeah. So it's fine. This is also fine. No problem.
Yeah, but yeah, you see, the thing is, you plan for a mate when you are playing the mid game, but I play for the sake of playing. See, this is where we are different, right?
I mean, the objective of the game is to mate your opponent, so
Mate, exactly,
it's
exactly.
fine. It's fine. It's fine. No problem. It's fine.
No, what was that? What was I doing? Just take this piece and keep this here.
Kicking. Good, good, good move. Dude, you play really well. I mean, compared to your rating, I think you're underrated. You're not definitely not 600.
Thanks, man.
I mean, yeah, I'm just telling the truth.
Okay. This is the next one. Somehow just.
Yeah, you have to keep an eye on the clock also, right?
Oh yeah, right. Oh shit, I forgot this is like some 5 minute game, right?
Yeah, but
Mm,
you have 5 seconds increment after each move, so it's fine.
mm, yeah. Yeah, fine. I'll do this move then.
Okay, okay,
If
fine
he's
move.
smart enough, yeah.
I mean,
Honestly,
you know
let.
what en passant, right? He can take
Yeah,
your
yeah. I know.
pawn.
I know. If he does that,
That's
it's good again for me.
yeah, it's good for you. Correct. But he won't do that if he
Right.
has any sense. But then again, he's a 700, so I don't know.
He's an amateur, DS chess amateur.
Maybe he
So,
lives in Washington DS, that's why his name is DS.
hmm, yes.
DC, no, it's not DS, it's a DC. My bad.
Yeah, DS was a controller, right? Nintendo DS or
Nintendo
something.
DS, yes.
Yeah,
Where
I
we
guess he's
played
a fan of that.
Pokemon and maybe. Who knows? Wow, that's a nice move.
That's a pretty bold move, to be honest.
Bold move, yes. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Even I had the same idea. Good. You're attacking that pawn. Let's see if he sees it. He'll probably play pawn to g4. He'll push his pawn and attack your knight, probably. Hard to say.
Even if he does that, the sole objective right now for me is to, you know, keep my bishop here. I want to keep my bishop here.
Okay. Makes
So
sense.
even if he brings it front, right, it will not affect me much. So see, it will be like my bishop is attacking the queen and his pawn is attacking the knight. See what I mean?
Um,
I guess that would be a good move.
See, after
But
you attack the queen, you'll have to move the knight and your bishop will become undefended.
haven't thought of that.
But it's fine, it's fine. You
Well,
can play that move. You can play that
I
move.
don't have time now to think.
If he plays queen g6, then you have a really good move. Queen to g6. I mean, he might want to stay connected to your bishop. But if he plays queen to g6, then it's a blunder for him, I think. Not really a blunder, but it's problematic. So I hope you can see why.
Hmm. Let's see. What he does.
He played queen to g6.
That is, and I waited. My knight here, right?
Your bishop will be hanging. See, your bishop is not defended. But notice something. Discovered attack you can give with your other
What
bishop.
do you mean?
Discovered attack.
Oh yeah. You mean like taking this piece and then doing that?
Yeah, his queen is under attack. You can see right after opening this up, his queen is also under attack.
Yeah. And
I mean, he has two squares he can go to. He can go to either behind or the right, like g2, g7 or
yeah.
h5.
Well, I don't think he's foolish enough to take my knight right now.
Maybe, who knows? He's 700, so he might not see. What? He just took your bishop. I don't
Good
understand.
man.
I don't understand that. Fine.
But then let's not waste time over it.
Yeah, you have to convert this game. You have 30 seconds. You're winning completely, so let's see how you do it.
Okay. Just take this pawn. I'll take this pawn with my queen. That's my move next.
Oh, whoa. That pawn is defended by his bishop. Remember that.
Oh, yeah. Oh shit, man! I have to keep my eyes open.
Exactly. Just one mistake, you're done. That's all.
Okay. What's my next move? This. I expected that move though, but it will be here.
Yeah, decent move. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, he's playing fast. Oh,
Yes, we want.
he just dropped his bishop. Nice.
What's up with this guy? Trading pieces right now.
He's not really. He's blundering pieces, but fine. You see how he gave up a piece. One more piece he gave. He just wants to flag you, bro. So
Okay.
fine move. Nothing wrong with that.
I mean, you did tell me about this move in the start. Remember?
Yeah, I did. He'll probably play f5, pawn to f5 to block that diagonal. I mean, other than that, I don't see any move. Okay, he did not see.
He is a freaking idiot.
Wow, you gained 78 points. Wow, okay, fine. That's nice.
So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Also check out his channel, right? And I will, as always, see you in my next video.